Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today in Junction City to show you a great little trailer. This is a new line of trailers we've been doing really well with this summer. It's called the Catalina Summit. This model is called a 172 FSS. A lot of times I'm talking to somebody that has a light truck, maybe a V6 or a small SUV, and they need something with a walk-around bed and a slide out that weighs less than 3,500 pounds dry. This is the trailer. I love it. I want to show it to you. Follow me. Now, it's got a lot of stuff for a nice little lightweight trailer. It's got a lot of cool things. Just some quick things I want to point out. It's got a nice grab handle when you walk in. That's standard. And so, of course, everybody's always looking to make sure they don't fall in and out when they're doing it. The grab handle will fix that up. Now, most small trailers in this weight category are very short in the roof, and this one has full height dimensions in the roof. So if you're a taller person, you can come in here and walk around. You're not likely to bang your head on the air conditioner or anything like that. That's dynamite. And here is your big queen walk around bed. Now, you want to walk around so you don't have to crawl over each other going in and out. And it's nice and easy to make. You see we have this table sitting here. This trailer, instead of having a dining booth, it has a couch, and that table can be set up when you need it, and it can be put away when you don't, so you don't waste any space, and it really opens the trailer up. Here's our slide out, and this sofa will fold down and make a bed. There's something back in behind there. There you go. So you got some storage behind it, and it'll fold down and make a kid's bed, no sweat. Even has a center armrest with cup holders. Got some good storage in the front, and then come around over here. We've got a microwave oven, 2-burner stove, a nice sink, and I want to point out this is a solid surface countertop, no T-molding in the edge, so it's going to stay clean and last a long time. One other really unusual thing, it's hard to find a trailer this size that has a full-size fridge and freezer, 2 doors. Take a look back here, and we got a beautiful bathroom. You go ahead. And there's a large wardrobe space back there. You could see some cabinets, some counter space, some overhead, not wardrobe, I meant to say bathroom cabinets. And there's storage down here. Usually you don't get countertops in a small bathroom. Okay, so as you can see, this really isn't a very big trailer. It's probably about 20 feet in overall length. It has a power awning. It has outside speakers so you can enjoy the campsite. It's got a porch light here. I also really like the fact that this is a sheet metal trailer. Sometimes people think sheet metal is a little bit old school, but you know what it is? It's really durable. It does not weather. Sun doesn't hurt it a bit. So 15, 20 years from now, this sheet metal will look about like it does today, and that's dynamite. Now, as you can see, we also have a little slide out here. And it doesn't take too much room, so you can still get into a little campsite. It's still easy to put in your driveway. Just take a look down here. We've got metal skirts around our fenders instead of plastic ones. If you've ever noticed, plastic fender skirts sometimes will crack and weather over the years. This won't do that. There's also a great pass-through storage in the very front. So that's just a thumbnail sketch of the Catalina Summit 172 FSS. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions or you want to come by and see one, give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott, and my number is 541-954-8495. You have a great day.